everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you this makeup look. So this is a really very minimal makeup look which I have paired with these bold lips. So I really wanted to put on red lip color, and oh my god, you won't believe that I'm wearing this color like after 4 or 5 months, because I'm so much into nudes now that I just wear nude colors. So it feels really good to wear this bold lip. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna name this look like rock the red lip look with minimal makeup or something like that. So yes, if you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so with this look you really need to prep your skin really well, because you are not going to put so much makeup. When you put minimal makeup, then you need to make your skin glow. So for that, first I'm gonna tie up my hair. Yes, and first I'm gonna start with moisturizing my face, for which I'm using the Face Shop Chia Seed Hydrating Lotion. I'm gonna mix it with my Swiss Beauty Illuminator. I'm just gonna gently pat it all over my face. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I have just taken this much amount, just a dot, and applying it here around my nose, my forehead, and little bit here. And you do not have to move the product. First, just dab it like this, let it get absorbed to your skin, and then start doing these small circular motions. Going to color correct these blemishes and the darkness under my eyes, my mouth. I'm gonna go in with concealer first. I'm not gonna go in with a lot of product, and first for concealer I'm using this LA Girl Pro HD concealer. And now for foundation, I'm gonna go in with again very minimal amount of this foundation. So I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible. Foundation in the shade 104 Golden Page. Just this much, like just a drop of this foundation. So I'm gonna dot it first, like here. I'm not gonna apply this foundation here because I am not going to contour. So I want the natural contour, natural shadow on my cheeks, a dot on my forehead, a little here and around my mouth because I haven't applied concealer there. And now just gonna run this beauty blender over the product. Yes, and now to set everything in place, I'm not gonna use so much of powder. I'm just gonna apply under my eyes, that's it, because I have used a demi matte foundation first thing first, and then I really want my skin to look dewy and glossy, so I'm not gonna powder it. Take a little bit on this brush, in fact dusting off the excess, and so for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Nykaa Brow Chicka Wow eyebrow pencil. And now for my lids, there is nothing to do much about the eye makeup. It's your wish. If you do not want to apply any eyeshadow, you can leave it like this. It will also look good. But if you are like me and want some color on your lids, then I'm gonna go in with this shade. So this is my Nicka K palette in the variant Mocha. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. So you do not need any technique for this. I'm just roughly gonna apply it everywhere, like on my lids and on my crease and above my face as well. gonna go in with this Wet n Wild mascara. This is their lash extension mascara, which is really good, and I completely forgot about this mascara. So I'm gonna apply this today. So this mascara is really good. It instantly lifts up your eyelashes and give it a good volume and length. For blush, because I want my skin to look dewy, this is the ultimate goal. I am taking this lipstick. It has a beautiful pinkish nude shade. So I'm just gonna do like this. Taking this highlighter again, illuminator, and put a drop of it like this. Now I'm gonna warm it, and it would be like an illuminating blush. And now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just gonna blend it. And now for highlighter, I'm gonna take the same Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. For lipstick, first I'm gonna use a red lip liner to line my lips. I'm going to fill it with this lip liner only, because by this way the color stays for longer time. And now for red lip, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Paris in the shade 266 Pure Rouge. This is a pretty red color. Alright guys, so that's it with this look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. So if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any other recommendation, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.